You probably have to call Mandy. That's all I can tell you, Mama.
I don't want to go, Mandy. I don't want to.
Mama, I don't know what else to do.
Don't let me go back with him.
Go spit. You spit it, Mama.
Mommy,
Mom.
I don't want to go back with my daddy. I don't want it. I want to stay with you. Mommy. Mommy.
I don't know.
There's nothing to do. I cannot believe that there's nothing to do.
Mom, I don't.
She is under
Mom,
arrest.
but it's not that easy.
There is somebody that has to say something.
Mama, I am trying to figure it out. You understand?
Mommy, I don't want to go with them. I want you.
I'm gonna try to figure it out, okay?
I don't want him though. It's gonna eat me. I don't want to go with him.